Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I shot this image for a couple years ago, and I have this image, and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. And also I made some different image drawing type a couple months ago also. Well, this time I want to try again this image like let's see, I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but I want to use this pencil drawing type, and also I'm gonna add some, well, just colors on highlight side and shadow side, just intuition to change different colors. Probably goes to yellowish on highlight, highlight side, yeah, lighting, and shadow side goes to bluer color code, yeah. Well, so I'm gonna duplicate this layer first, and well, I'm gonna turn this base image off to keep it just in case, and I made a copy of it again. Well, I'm gonna smudge this image, but well, beforehand I'm gonna go, well, smudge first, rough, then add color maybe. Yeah, let's go for it. Okay, kind of rough smudge on surroundings. Okay, use the smudge tool, drawing to evolve. Opacity about 50 and maybe a little bit bigger size from outside. Now this time though, okay, I'm going to use this base image. I'm going to use brush drawing to evolve same texture, then pick some white color, then go from white border first. Okay, now I'm gonna smudge from same layer. Just make out outlines first. Well, just like so. Yeah. Okay, now let's see next. Well, I'm gonna add layer for color, so I'm gonna use, this is color, so I'm gonna go, well, airbrushing group to soft blend, then add amber color for light highlight area. Okay, then I'm going to choose complementary color of blue to shadow area. Okay, now it's just painted. I'm going to change the blend mode to color. Now I'm going to touch up some, a little bit too thick. So, well, let's see, then orange. Okay, let me use that smudge tool. How it's gonna turn, I just want to see on this layer, then smudge bigger size. Then let's see this colors. Now add some different blue. Okay, add more orange. Okay, now add some shadow area. I'm going to add some blue. kind of interesting. Now I'm gonna smudge on this layer. Just touch up again. Now I want to change this pencil drawing type image, change the blend mode. Well, how does this look? This is color burn. Now it's max 100%, so I may go down about 60%. Still enough density, huh? Even though I smudged some around here, because of this pencil drawing type image, see through that straight lines and stuff. Pretty interesting, isn't it? Well, I may add some more color on this layer. I want some reddish. I like the blue colors around here, so just touch more emphasize on this color layer. Yeah, that's cool. Now maybe I'm gonna add some orange. Well, I think that's it. Yeah, kind of dark, but that's kind of interesting image, I think. Well, I didn't change blend mode much. I just changed the blend mode on this pencil drawing type image, color burn, 60%. Then I used the blend mode color on this painted colors, pretty much cold color, blue watercolor, and yellow warm tone amber colors. Then I smudged this image. Oops, this is nothing, but this shows more interesting textures. Yeah, because of this pencil drawing type image, it was so much impressive. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And I really appreciate for you guys' support, and well, you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Thank you. Bye now. Ciao.